That dude must be from around here. I'm going to ask him for directions.
Excuse me. Looking for the Merrimack River?
Merrimack River?
Merrimack River?
There's a walkway, they call it a walkway. Everybody walks.
So when I hit that brick building, but I go right or left? I don't know what to do.
I'm going that way.
Oh, all right, man. I'll walk with you.
You'll be right at the Riverwalk. They call it Riverwalk because you can walk the whole river.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking. I think I took the wrong turn and I ended up in a dead end.
Fix it up.
You've been living here all your life?
We've been for 57 years.
57 years?
Yeah, born in Boston though.
Yeah? Hey, like Lowell.
I love Lowell. I mean, I've moved.
Seems like Lowell's gotten better over the
Of
years.
course it is.
No, I mean back then.
Back then I did all kinds of jobs. I went to the factories.
These brick factories?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Around Jackson Street, Adams Furniture, Oak Craft, you know, Zoom Fabric. And I went for a couple of moving companies, which I like. Backbreaking, for United Van Line, Tours Moving Company, a couple of moving companies out there. I did my share. It's part of Lowell's history. That's why they call it Brick City.
Oh.
I wonder why. Look at all the brick.
I wonder why. Here's the answer right in front of us, huh?
Yeah.
Brick City, look at this.
You can tell, see it? The circle thing? People don't drop the camera. You tell there's a turbine down there. You know what I mean?
Oh, I see something circular, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so 2 dots there.
Huh.
There's a lot of rats and mice down there.
Is there?
And you want to see that door, no?
I bet you the Park Ranger wouldn't tell us there's rats and mice down there, huh?
Oh. Well, common sense. This is Riverwalk. Down there, this is why they call it Riverwalk. Everybody walk out there with the kids, dogs and stuff. You can walk as far as this gate right here. They blocked it off. Gate right here. Look at it. Just blocked that off, like I was telling you. Because they're working down there to try to fix up the whole factory building. It's like,
Look at that, huh? All right. Okay, man, one more time.
All right, thank you.
You take care.
Matthew.
Matthew, okay.
Thanks to Matthew, an impromptu tour guide. I'm now walking along the Lowell Riverwalk. Will this walk be a scenic one? I hope so. From what I understand, this path was made possible by a sewer tunnel. It's still around here, out of sight. The ground above it, or near it, was available for this pathway. These buildings were textile mills. Now they're used for other things. Up ahead, there's a gap in those bushes. I'm going to see where it leads to. It sure is peaceful here, in this oasis of nature. Look at all the driftwood from when the Merrimack River overflows its bank. I'll have to scramble up to the sidewalk. That's a canal I'm walking beside. One of many around here.
You catch anything?
No, it all came off.
Nothing?
I mean, I had a couple bites, but nothing.
What do you get here, bass?
Bass, yeah.
Yeah, well, good luck next time, man.
Thank you.
This mill was the last one to employ textile workers. It reminds me of a quote by Heraclitus: "There is nothing permanent except change." I'm only a few blocks away from my destination, the workers' sculpture.